Guys, what's up? So welcome back to my channel. I'm Preet. Hi. I make all sorts of content that you are seeing on your screen right now. This. Consider subscribing or checking out my channel if you like these things, and let's start with the video. I get asked this question so many times, like I have lost count of how many times I've been asked this question, and I thought, you know what, why not just answer it? How does it feel like to finally move to Mumbai? And like it's been a month since I've moved, and this is just my honest answer. I haven't got this scripted or anything. I'm just going to say what it is. Mumbai, it's a very huge city, very huge, very so many people, but I love that about it. It's so lively, it's so vibrant, and I've come to realize why people call it so colorful, so vibrant, and so lively, because every time, like, there have been so many situations where there's a plane going right now. Just a minute. Like, there have been so many times where I've just, wanted, you get in your head and you are in a very bad mental space because you are at your home a lot, and you just, when you are at your home for a few days, you don't get out, so you get in this very bad head space. In Mumbai, just a walk can fix that. Like, I've noticed that even if I go on a walk just outside my building, it is so vibrant, it is so lively. It's like everybody is, there's so much going on. It just makes you feel alive. It just takes away all your worries, and I don't think so you will get what I'm saying without actually experiencing it. But I did understand what does the vibrant, and why it's called a vibrant and a very lively city, because it's just the culture of it's like everybody's running, there are so many people, everybody is busy in their work, and it's like such, like, there is so much chaos and there are so many people, but it's all in a sync. And when you just have a walk down in the street in Mumbai, you will just feel better. And that can be just me, because I love a hustling, bustling situation. I love crowds, and I mean, I don't love crowds, but like Mumbai kind of crowds are like something really nice. Is it a lot of work moving to Mumbai? It is, but it's a very small sacrifice to pay. Like, it's a very small, like, I would do a lot more work to stay here, because right now I'm like cooking myself, and I'm doing all my household chores, because like me and my sister are living, and we've rented a flat and we are living together. So there are so many things like washing the clothes, the laundry is there, cooking is there, and obviously there are a lot of things that you have to do yourself. But these are very tiny sacrifices that I'm willing to make for such a hustling, bustling, and such a very, it just makes you feel more alive, and it just motivates you like every single day. The biggest question of it all is, do you still love Mumbai, and is it still as exciting as it was before moving it? Absolutely yes, it does live up to your expectation. If your expectations are not sky high, obviously the place has some cons, like there are pros and cons to the place, but I still love the city. It's so beautiful. I am still in love with the city. There's just so much to see, but I would say that there's not like many places. Like, this was a surprise to me that there are not many places to sightsee or something. Like, you can't come here, like, it's not Lonavala or something, like, where you are just, there are a lot of places to go, and just a minute, like, there are not a lot of places you can visit. It's just the culture, I feel, is so vibrant. Like, I went to Juhu. It doesn't live up to the expectation at all. I went to the Marine. It is also a little overhyped, I would say. Please don't come at me for this, because I come from a place where there are just so many more beautiful things, and where it's just more calm and peaceful than Marine drives. Or, I mean, the Marines is very beautiful, but I do think it's a little overrated. But it's like, for people who have always stayed in Mumbai, I can see why it holds such importance. But like, it's basically for the culture you should shift here. Like, it's not because of the places. Like, don't come because there are so many places to visit in Mumbai. Because like Juhu, I totally, I don't know what I was expecting, but I was not expecting that. But yeah, I did not live up to the expectations. But obviously the place has an up and down, like you come here for opportunities and more career opportunities, and just to be yourself, you can be more free here. Obviously there are places, but like the skyscrapers still motivate you so much, like the skyscrapers are the best thing. I always love that about Mumbai. I still love that about Mumbai. Even traveling in local, this is such a underrated thing, like nobody talks about it, but like traveling in a local, like I get it, like in the rush, in the crowd, it can get a lot, but like traveling in the local can be like, so it's such a good experience, like you can actually like traveling in the local, because if you have like a window seat or something, you can see the town and the places go by, and it's like every place in Mumbai is so different from the another. Like I'm passing through Bandra, I'm passing through Ville Parle, I'm passing through Santa Cruz. It's like every place has their own different things you can see, but it is such a it's when you just like I sometimes tell my sister, like when we are not feeling like very up to date, or anything, like we are very confused, let's just go have a ride in the local, because it just clears your mind of so many things. It just gives you so much peace, and it's so beautiful to look out from the locals, especially at night. It's just so beautiful. Even in the morning, it's very beautiful. Is it pressurizing to move to Mumbai? I don't think so. It is. I feel you'll feel less pressurized once you are in this, because I feel small towns and small cities have a way to add to your pressure, and it's like a race there. Like it's a race here too. Like, but I just feel the people here are so they are so chill, and it's just a different culture. Mumbai is an experience that I feel everybody should do, but I do understand why some people don't find it, like it's not their place, because either you can love the place, or either you can hate it. Like there's no in between. I think the thing I realized most about Mumbai is that more than anything, it gives you freedom to be who you are, who you want to be, because like everything is accepted here. Nobody cares what the next person is doing. Nobody will give you stares. Nobody will look at what are you wearing or anything. You can just be who you are. Nobody cares what the next person is doing, and that's like a good thing. Things are new, and but it's like moving to any city can be like such a exploring and such an experience in your life. Like you can go out, explore, learn new things, and there have been so many things that I've been learning in Mumbai. Like I would have never learned how to put a washing machine stand if I was at home, because it just came here and I was like, oh shit, I have to figure that out on my own. But there are just so many things you learn, even from the people, even in the experience of Mumbai. As just living in Mumbai, it's a whole experience, and like every day I'm learning 3-4 things. Every day it's like a new challenge. Every day is like I am growing, I'm learning, and that's the thing that I feel you should get out of your house, because you are at your home. It's like you are at home, but when you get out there, it's like a different experience in itself. You are in your comfort zone, and I feel success lies outside your comfort zone. Like when you're in your comfort zone, you are comfortable, you are like everything is figured out, but when you get out of it, that's when you actually learn. Like I visited my hometown like just this week past, and the one big thing that I noticed was that I used to get so lazy at my hometown. Like I had no motivation. I used to be super undedicated, unmotivated, and I just used to be lazy downright, because even when I went there, it's like such a comfort zone in my hometown. It's a very small town, like it's a military camp where I come from, originally where I'm born and brought up. A very slow life, and that's what I love the thing about Mumbai, because you'll never be unmotivated here. You'll never feel lazy here. Like it's just a culture there. I don't know, it's just the air that makes it different, because here it's like you get the motivation yourself. The city motivates you. Sometimes it makes you cry too. Like obviously there are problems, and obviously there are things that are not as good, But it's like I just feel the good outweighs the bad for me. I think it should be very personal. It's like a personal thing for everybody. Like maybe for you the bad outweighs the good. For me it doesn't. So yeah, so it just this city just has a way of motivating you, just making you more productive. Like I just never feel lazy here, guys. I just never do. I don't know why that is. My necklace is so pretty, guys. I just like, can you see my necklace? It's so pretty. And my nails also, guys. I am in love with my nails. Why am I whispering? Like, can you see my necklace? It's so pretty, guys. I love it. And I just love my nails right now also. It's so pretty. It just sparkles, in the dark, and even in the light. It just sparkles. I love that about it. I don't know why I'm saying that. So yeah, so it just has a way of motivating you, making you more productive. You'll never feel lazy in Mumbai because like everybody's running, everybody's rushing, and if that's the kind of lifestyle you want, it is perfect. Ending it, like I always envisioned Mumbai. Do I know that I fit in and Mumbai is the place for me? I do not have any clue yet. It's just been a month, guys. It will take me more time. There are so many places I still haven't been. Like there are so many places I want to visit, but there are so many places I did get out and saw what Mumbai is. I did see the culture. So yeah, I just feel that, do I know if this is a place for me? I have no clue, but I think I will figure it out. It will eventually come. I will eventually live the whole experience, and I will tag you guys along. Let me know if you want more updates on this. Like I can make this, Mumbai in 3 months, Mumbai in 6 months, or I don't know. Just let me know down in the comments your thoughts. If somebody of you has recently shifted to Mumbai, let me know your experience. How does this city? What does this city mean to you? Why would I tell you me? Anyways, let me know that. Just anything you want to know down in the comments. Any video you want to make, let me know down in the comments. Also, guys, I also felt that I met so many like-minded people here. Like I just never fit into my people at my place because we just wanted so many different things, and I just felt I always had to squeeze myself to fit in my place. But yeah, you don't have to do that in Mumbai. In Mumbai you can just be who you want, and that's the best thing in Mumbai. And for me, Mumbai has always been the dream city because I just always wanted to move to Mumbai because it's so huge, and ever since I used to come here as a kid for something or the other, the skyscrapers, and everything, just the city just moved me a lot, and it has lived up to its expectations, I feel. I love Mumbai so much, and it has always been my dream to move to Mumbai. And yeah, let's just say it keeps treating me nicely, and yeah, and that's one of the biggest thing about Mumbai is like you don't have to squeeze in, you don't have to fit into anything, you can just be whoever you want, and that's my experience. I'm going to stop blabbering here now. Probably bored you guys too much. I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, consider liking the video, commenting on the video, sharing the video, subscribing to my channel. It would mean a world to me. It does mean a world to me. Each and every subscriber means the world to me, and yeah. So yeah, consider subscribing to the channel. It would mean a lot to me, and yeah, I love you, right? Yeah, that's it for the video. I love you, right?